Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Teesside University. So first, you have to open a Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And on the top, there is a URL section. You can type login to Teesside University and click on the enter. And from the search results, you can see there's a Teesside University on the top. TU online login. Click on that. And we have to scroll a bit down, and right here there's a sign in option in the big button. Click on that, and in the right hand side we can see there's an required of email address and as well as your password. So in order to sign in to your Teesside University, type down your email and your password as well. And you can simply click on the option that says sign in and you'll be successfully logged into your Teesside University. But if you need guidance for logging, you can click on this option that says for guidance on logging. But if you also have forgotten your password but have registered for service password recovery, you can simply visit this option that says password recovery and then your account will be recovered. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.